before Chantal turns on you. So we'll just sit back and watch. So you can defend her all you want, but we all know Chantal doesn't have luck with people. Let's just say that she's
longevity.
Not loyal. Let me put it that way. Yeah, eventually your time will come, and especially if you continue to call Milky cute, or pretty, or whatever you said about her, or if you say niceties about any other reaction channel, your overlord will turn against you. Don't you know you're not supposed to do those things?
They will realize that the person they're talking about has feelings, just like they do, and you're feeling too.
Am I? I don't know.
For y'all saying I'm doing this to make money. No, sadly mistaken. You're saying I'm doing it for a following or to start a channel. No. I have done YouTube before in my past. If I really wanted to make a channel,
Really?
I could.
Excuse me, what type of YouTube channel did you have? I'm curious. Or was it OS? Too bad you are now.
You inserted yourself.
The dome, so you're a part of it now, whether you want to or not. You shouldn't have posted.
Because that's sad. If you always want to hate me, but
I don't hate you.
You're doing it. I don't know what lies you're going to make up about me next, but that's on you. You have to live with it with your soul. And like I said, sorry I look so old and haggard and sick.
Oh, shut up.
Literally knocking on death's door, and the medication I'm on, I don't even recognize myself.
You don't look like you're knocking on death's door. You look perfectly fine to me. I don't know, the first video and this video, it's a fishing expedition for me. Stop it. You look just as thirsty as Chantal.
Thirsty.
But go ahead, make fun.
Big funny term, thirsty.
I will just be a distant half of your story. The woman dead in the ground, okay? So all you haters, please realize this is life, and you are talking to a human that has a soul and feelings. That's all. Just
oh, shut up.
do something kind today. Tell something.
Shut up.
And it will come back to you. I promise. I don't have no hate towards anybody. Just don't.
I don't know the other video. When people see you next Thursday and cussing and shit. I mean, I don't know. I think you got a little bit of hate in there. Come on.
The chaos of the greatness instead of trying to help somebody that literally could use a lifting up sometimes. That's all.
Okay, so that's the end of that. Look, I'm not going to say anything mean towards this woman. I mean, I actually think she's a very nice-looking woman. She seems like a nice person. She seems very gullible to me in the way that she's defending Chantal. She obviously has not been around this part of the internet for a long time, so she doesn't know the past history of Chantal. I mean, I'll give her that one, but I mean, come on. Come on, Wig. Wig, stop it.
Come on, Wig. You called her Wig. That's fucking
I don't
hilarious.
think she'll last long, as far as defending Chantal. Because people can be vicious, and if they start to come after you, it's not going to be nice. So, I don't think you should do these videos anymore. Anyways, that's it for me, guys. I'll see you when I see you. Bye.
That was bad seed. I like your channel. Oh. Spicy. I'm eating leftover duck stew, and I just put some rice and wonton in there. Jabba. Not a tofu puffs. Travesty. Tomorrow's gonna be raining and cold. So I'm gonna go grocery shopping tomorrow.
Congratulations,
Yeah, I'm here.
Them. That's so sweet and so cute, Julia. Aww. FaceTime and sharing that moment with us. She never bothered to look for that. She sent Sally. So she was there. Face of America. She was absolutely there. You know where she was? In the car with Julia with the Airwin full blast. And she's like, I had to stay in the car with Julia because it's hot. Because you need Julia in the car. You could have locked that car up and left it running and helped look for the kitten who you were so concerned about. So much so that you stole the kitten away from its mother, rushed it to a sketch of a vet, which seems to be a pharmacist, got its medication, put it back on the street with promises to continue to take care of not just Bruce Lee, but the mother.
Mhm.
Anyways, we'll talk more about it in the video. Julia girl, thank you for the support. Let me get it pulled up. Catherine. Alright, she's sitting at, I can't believe it, after all of this drama surrounding your channel right now. This video was uploaded 16 hours ago and you're only sitting at 5,215 views. But I'll give her this, she does have 162 stupid motherfuckers who hit the thumbs up on that video. So there's that. And as far as, listen, I know there's been a lot of talk throughout the community of this new person, this new Beezer, I don't care. I don't care to watch her content. I don't care what that weird motherfucker has to say. I'm not gonna get invested in a back and forth with somebody who obviously suffers with some kind of fucking mental condition, because if you're standing behind this shit and you're supporting it, then you're not okay. Okay? And I really don't have time to hear anything that you have to say. I've seen the clips on the Twitter, I've seen the comments on the Twitter. I'm not wasting my time in that. Absolutely not. That's exactly what that weirdo wants. I know a lot of people have been talking about it in the chat. So there's how I feel about it. And as of right now, she's not going to get any more of my attention. Hey, Cindy. Good morning, Gavin. Even if she's not deported,